All right, guys, I want you to check out this beautiful Tremron Paver patio. Definitely something which we've been working with Tremron for some time now as our exclusive dealer, and we've been coming up with these beautiful outdoor landscape solutions and really coming up with opportunities to work with this type of block. And I just wanted to show you what we got here. We got a 3-piece Stonehurst Sierra paver. We've also used their Sierra fire pit block, and then we've also used the rumble stone that they make available in order to build small seat walls. Even they've allowed you to use this for retaining walls to a certain degree, and this is the way we've gotten creative with that in regards to building this seat wall over that you see in the far back of the screen. It was definitely a way in order to help accommodate the customers' living condition. They're a little smaller, so it definitely helped them in being able to sit around this fire pit. But just as you begin to see the design that we laid out here using this Tremron block, it definitely says that if you're in that position and you have a customer that you may want to work with that has a outdoor living solution that they need, but more importantly they're looking for some type of small retaining wall. As you can see that this seat bench acts as a retaining wall, and dealing with that big problem that we came originally to the landscape for. You also may find yourself being able to upsell and offer an outdoor living solution, and if you do so, this is one of the ways in which you can do it. And we wanted to make sure that we showed you this, as Tremron has asked us to try to get this out to as many landscapers as we can. That's what we're doing in regards to making sure that we do this live video. As you see this project unfolds, I know you're going to be able to find ways in which we were able to use this beautiful Tremron block, the rumble stone and the fire pit block, in order to enhance their landscape. And it also solved a major problem when it came to retaining that portion of the landscape that was necessary. And you can just see how that block works beautifully in doing that. Definitely retaining this area and giving it an opportunity to be used as a seat bench was just a great design. The fire pit, as you also see, is a great way in which we dealt with this customer's landscape and gave them a fire pit that was able to accommodate it. That's our goal. Anytime we work with an outdoor solution, we always work with some type of hardscapes, and increasingly we've worked a lot with the Tremron block, and it's an absolute great tool to utilize, especially when you find yourself in situations where you're trying to come up with custom creations, as we love to do. This is a way in which we've been able to do it with this seat bench, and so hopefully it gives you guys an opportunity to see what opportunities you can create on your landscape for your customer, or maybe your customer, and this gives you an opportunity to see what we may be able to do for you. But at any rate, I wanted to make sure I got this over to you guys. I didn't want to make a long video. We got a little bit more to go on this landscape. We're going to be bringing in that saw. It just got here actually, and you're going to be able to see this entire project come together. But when it comes to Tremron, when it comes to the pavers, when it comes to the fire pit, and when it comes to the rumble stone block, here's a great example of how we do that extremely well by providing this ultimate outdoor transformation and living solution for the customer. And that's what we did here. That's what we always do. And just wanted to make sure that if you're a landscaper and you're looking at a way in which to work with this Tremron block, that you knew that this was also an opportunity that you could utilize on your own property. So once again, my name's Greg Brooks with Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.